Much of what we see today, we blame on racism. From political struggles to social conflicts, many view racism as the root cause of our problems. But what if the truth is more complex than we've been led to believe? In Race, Racism, and Slavery, the biblical perspective, you'll discover a different view. One that challenges the narrative we hear every day. Through documented research and biblical insights, this book dives into the truth about racism. With real-world experience as a pastor and a young man who grew up in the South during the 1960s, Pastor Tom Logan provides a unique perspective that blends both scripture and history. This book uncovers how racism and slavery are not new, but have existed since biblical times. In this book, you'll find that racism isn't always the real cause behind social issues. More often, it's a tool used to further political or personal agendas. The underlying issue? It's spiritual. This is not just a social problem. It's a spiritual one, and only a spiritual solution can heal it. The answer is found in the Bible. Race, Racism, and Slavery, the Biblical Perspective by Pastor Tom Logan. Discover the truth behind the headlines, and find the solution that goes deeper than politics and history. Your journey to understanding begins here.